All right, good morning. Happy homeowners. Miguel, Brian Adams, back over here, second day in Anaheim, refinishing these original hardwood floors. Got them halfway sanded, puttied. Take a look. There we go. Miguel got this all what we call trowel filled. So we try to get all the gaps and cracks. With the vibration of the old floor, you'll always have little gaps and cracks, but this will all get sanded off all the way down through the hallway. Remember, this back bedroom had the carpet, and these rooms are almost ready. Got the edges in the corner, and then the fine sanding. So the next video will probably be the finished product. Woo! All right, guys, out of here. Bad connection.